Hi, I'm Sven from Black Forest Solar. Today, I'm going to show you how to support your flexible solar panel system with a 45-degree expandable tunnel support. We're going to get started right now. All right, I'm going to quickly unload our solar panel package that's in this bag right here. It has the panels, the tunnel support. It should take about 2 minutes for me to set it up. This expandable tunnel is actually just a kid's tunnel that you can buy online anywhere. And it's a perfect solution if you're trying to support a lightweight solar panel system, just like that one right there. It weighs well under 20 pounds. If you're trying to support a heavy fixed system, forget about it. It'll crush this. This weighs just a couple pounds, and it's a perfect solution for the folding flexible solar panels. We need to also weigh this down in case there's wind or you're in an open field, because when you put the solar panels on it, it'll sort of just roll away and then the panels will flop over. It really doesn't take much to weigh this down because this is just a few pounds. You can grab some water bottles, some rocks if you can find them. Any heavy tree branches will work. So in our package, we do include these water bags. They hold up to 10 gallons each. But I've only filled them up halfway with a few gallons. You don't need much. This is included in our package, but if you're looking to support your own flexible solar panel system, you can just grab a couple of big water bottles, a couple of jugs, a few gallons. That'll do just fine. So I'm going to toss them in here to show you what it looks like. Okay, that's nice and sturdy. So now I'm just going to put the solar panels right on top. All right, so that is a perfect 45-degree support for a flexible system. This is a really easy solution. I've seen guys build fixed wood systems and things like that. That's complicated. Just grab an expandable kid's tunnel and then you'll be ready to go. Another thing you can do to support your solar panels, if you don't have an expandable tunnel, is you could just lay it on some bushes, or if you have a grassy knoll that has a 45-degree angle, you could also use that. Those are just temporary solutions. But if you really need something that you can carry with you, then the expandable tunnel is definitely the way to go. So this foldable solar panel system here is 12 volt, 400 watt, made from polycrystalline, semi-flexible solar panels. It does really well for high power. We use this for water pumping or battery charging, but you can really use it for anything. It's really good for camping, traveling, or if you're just in a place where you're worried about theft, this is a really good solution. This whole system is hooked up in parallel. It has a nice little outlet that you can just plug your battery cables into, or your pump, whatever you're trying to do. Another thing you can do to weigh down your panel system is if you're charging a battery, you could always stick the battery right inside of the tunnel or provide a more than enough weight to keep it secure. Definitely protect your battery from rain. And it goes without saying, don't let your kids play around your solar panels. I know it's an expandable tunnel, but it's very dangerous to have your kids playing around the solar panel system, so don't do it. I'll show you what happens really quick when I remove the water weights. You see, it's still being supported, so it definitely can be supported without the water weights. It's just if there's a little bit of wind, it might knock it over. See, it'll kind of start rolling, and then you lose it. One more thing you can do, you can lean up the tunnel up against a bush, and then it'll definitely support it. So I'll show you that right now. Just as I was explaining earlier, you can see that that works just as well. If you have something to lean the tunnel against so it doesn't roll away, it'll be just fine if you use a bush or a park bench or anything like that. So that pretty much does it for this system. If you want to pick this up, run over to blackforestsolar.com. You can pick it up directly from our website. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to go ahead and pack up the system right now so you can see how easy it is to pack up and move out, and we'll see you guys next time.